Here we divide 441 by 2 in a long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting it is 0. So we put down this 4 and remove 0. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting it is 0. So again we put down this 1 and remove 0. So 2 times 0 means 0. On subtracting it is 1. So now there is no other number beside, so we put here decimal so that we take 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting it is 0. So 441 divided by 2 is 220 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.